Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a tortoise and a hare. The hare was swift and loved to show off his speed, while the tortoise was slow and steady. They were good friends, but they often had friendly arguments about who was faster. One sunny day, the hare couldn't resist bragging about his lightning-fast speed. He boasted to the tortoise, "You're so slow, my dear friend. I can run circles around you without breaking a sweat." The tortoise, though slow, was not one to back down from a challenge. With a determined look on his face, he replied, "I may be slow, but I am steady. Let's have a race and see who reaches the finish line first." The other animals of the forest heard about the race and gathered at the starting line to watch. They were excited to see the outcome of the race between the swift hare and the slow tortoise. The race was about to begin, and the hare confidently hopped around, ready to dash ahead. The tortoise, on the other hand, positioned himself at the starting line, his eyes fixed on the goal. The race began, and the hare bolted forward, leaving the tortoise far behind. He was so far ahead that he decided to take a nap under a shady tree, thinking that there was no way the tortoise could catch up. Meanwhile, the tortoise plodded along, one step at a time, determined to reach the finish line. He didn't pay any attention to the hare's shenanigans, he just kept moving steadily, as the hare slept. The tortoise continued his slow but unwavering pace. The other animals watched in astonishment as he gradually closed the gap between him and the sleeping hare. When the hare woke up and saw the tortoise near the finish line, he panicked. He sprinted as fast as he could, but it was too late. The tortoise crossed the finish line first, with a calm and steady stride. The animals cheered for the tortoise, amazed by his determination and perseverance. The tortoise smiled and said, "Speed is not always the most important thing.
Consistency and perseverance are what truly matter." From that day on, the hare learned the value of patience and humility. He realized that being fast was not as important as giving your best effort and staying committed to the task at hand.
And so, the hare and the tortoise remained good friends, often sharing tales of their race with the younger animals in the forest. The story of the tortoise and the hare became a timeless lesson for everyone, reminding them that slow and steady wins the race. The animal